excitement has been growing, and I am so excited to announce to you our 4th annual Garden Crossings Signature Garden Showcase. It will take place this year on Saturday, June 13th from 9 until 4 p.m. We're going to have a full day of guided tours, informative speakers you won't want to miss, facility tours, and you're going to get to go behind the scenes at Garden Crossings to see where all the magic happens. We're located in Zeeland, Michigan. Hear what Erica J. from Lansing, Michigan has to say.
A full day with Heidi and Rod at Garden Crossings, count me in. We enjoyed meeting new friends, touring the gardens and facilities, listening to special guest speakers, and the absolute best part, shopping the garden center. The Garden Crossings annual signature event is a can't miss, and we will definitely be coming back next year.
You'll be able to get your hands dirty and create your very own container combination for you to take home. We'll have swag bags, door prizes, special deals if you attend the event, and sales throughout the garden center that you won't want to miss out on. Boxed lunches and snacks will be provided throughout the day. Looking for the perfect gift for the gardener in your life? Hear what Nikki R. from Concord, Michigan has to say.
Thank you, Garden Crossing team, for an incredible experience at your 2025 showcase event last weekend. My mom gifted this event to me for my birthday, and she nailed it. I learned a lot, and it was a great experience. See you in 2026.
This event will be limited to the first 100 people to sign up, so be sure to sign up early. There's a link on our website, gardencrossings.com, where you can sign up, or we'll put a link in the description below. You will not want to miss out on the 2026 Garden Crossings Signature Garden Showcase. We hope to see you this summer.